Okay, for our final activity for the course, except for, of course, the extension activities, if you'd like to take advantage of those, is a course project or a final project. Now, this is completely voluntary. You can do it if you want. You don't have to, of course. But doing this project will not only help your English, but it will expand and deepen your ability to use your English practically, like you might in a job, as on a work project. So, what you're going to do is choose a global issue. If you remember, in I think it was lesson 1 or 2, where there's a list of we talked about, and there's a list of global issues. Choose one, and then you're going to choose a presentation platform. The most well-known is PowerPoint. So you can use PowerPoint. There's also many other presentation platforms: Powtoons, Prezi, SlideShare, um, uh, Padlet. There's many. So you're going to choose a global issue, choose PowerPoint or another presentation platform, and then you're going to consider these issues. So first of all, choose one global environmental issue. And again, it's either lesson 1 or 2 for the list. And of course, Google, you can find, thousands of lists of environmental issues. Next, list 3 to 5 causes of the problem and 3 to 5 consequences. How is the problem caused? What causes it? And what happens because of it? What are the consequences of that issue? Then go ahead and describe some existing solutions. What's being done now to solve this problem, and why is it not working? Because if it was working, the problem would be solved. It wouldn't be the problem. So obviously the solutions are not completely effective. And then you're going to describe your solution and why you believe it will work more effectively, or perhaps work in conjunction with the other solutions to solve this problem. Finally, what you'll do is a call to action. Now, this is a global issue. It's big. You're not going to solve it by yourself, but perhaps with many others, you might. So you're going to invite your audience to join with you to create the solution and to help solve the problem. So I really look forward to seeing these. I will comment on them as much as I can. Good luck, and we'll go ahead and just do a review before we end the course.